Hello, learner. Welcome to the AutomationEdge Intermediate Training playlist. This series is designed to take your automation skills to the next level. Until now, you have built your first workflows. Now it is time to make them real by connecting to live databases, APIs, web apps, and running servers. Across 26 lessons, you will move beyond the basics. You will learn to administer the server, secure your automations, connect to real systems, and govern them like a professional. This training is built for anyone ready to go from simple bots to production-grade automation, including developers, admins, designers, and consultants. If you know the basics, you are ready. You will manage users and policies, make workflows reusable, connect to enterprise systems, transform real-world data, and automate applications before scheduling and monitoring them on the server. Everything is built around real-world stories. You will help SwiftMart manage orders, pull live weather data, process high-volume staff spreadsheets, scrape web tables, and automate Windows applications. By the end, you will have built secure, connected, production-ready automations. You can then complete the intermediate certification to validate your learning and showcase your expertise. Ready to level up? Click Video 1 and let us build automation that is ready for the real world. Thank you for watching this video. Happy automating!